everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namna back with another piano tutorial for you. Today we'll be learning that how we can play Symphony by Clean Bandit on the piano. So let's start. So first of all, I'm gonna play the first para for you, and then we'll learn how to play it line by line. First of all, I'm gonna play it all together for you, and then we'll learn how to play it line by line. So let's start. So the first tune goes like this. It's like and the next line, and the first line is like this. And the second line, then it's this one. It goes like a rhapsody for you and me, and then now let's play it together again. Isn't it easy? Now I'll play the next para for you, and then we're going to learn it line by line. So it goes like, life was bringing me along, and then you came and you cut me loose, and then was solo singing on my own. Now I can find the key without you. So now let me play the pre-chorus for you. So it's like, and now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat, and when you're gone I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, and then the main line goes like this. So now let's learn how we have to play this. I'm gonna play it slowly first. So it will be like, and then we're going to repeat the first tune which we learned, which was this one. And then you can repeat this again for playing the next paragraph. And now I'm going to play the entire song together for you. So let's start. all liked it, don't forget to like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.